36. A life in pictures, a heart in pieces. In Mom Doreen's cozy lounge, we sat across from each other, suspended between the threads of past and present. Doe and Albie had departed, leaving us alone, just the two of us, for the first time. Mother and firstborn, united at last. The silence was palpable. 6 photo albums lay scattered before her, a visual narrative of my life. I watched, transfixed, as she hesitated, her fingers hovering over the first album. Taking a deep breath, she delicately opened the cover. The soft crackle of its pages accompanied her entry into my past. Her eyes locked onto images of me as a baby, just days old, cradled in my mom and dad's loving arms. It was a moment of uncharted courage. She had never laid eyes on me before. Taken away at birth, I existed only in her imagination. Now, gazing upon my infant face, her expression betrayed turmoil within. Her eyes flashed with deep-seated longing. Her mouth trembled. Her hands caressed each photo, as if tracing my soul. Each page turn revealed fragments of my story, snapshots of carefree childhood, ponytails, bright smiles, laughter, and joy-filled moments. The crackle of the pages accompanied her journey, a heart-wrenching reminder of the years lost and the memories she had never made. Her face was a canvas of emotions, longing, yearning, pain, and a hint of jealousy, the ache of having been excluded from those precious moments. As she paged through the albums, the emotional dam within me swelled. Memories of my beloved mom and dad intertwined with the profound realization that none of it would have been possible without her, my birth mother. The weight of that truth hung suspended, heavy with unspoken emotions. The silence was sacred, a testament to the moment's profundity. Time stood still. Then it happened. Her composure crumbled, revealing a mother's heart. Her index finger traced my mom and dad's smiling faces. Tears spilled down her cheeks. Her whisper was barely audible. "Thank you, Fred and Corey, for taking care of my baby. Thank you, thank you." In the stillness, we shared a sacred moment, transcending time. Our silence honored Fred and Corey Coetzee, two extraordinary souls who, in this life, couldn't conceive and were childless by circumstance. At the soul level, however, they made a profound choice. Before incarnating, they raised their hands, willingly surrendering the dream of biological parenthood. They opted to adopt me, choosing a different path. Their commitment echoed across realms. We choose this child. Give it to us. We'll love and raise her as our own. In that instant, the veil lifted, and I beheld the breathtaking beauty of their sacrifice and the sacred bond of their unconditional love. My eyes welled up with silent tears as Mom Doreen's words pierced my heart, metamorphing my inner landscapes.